Hello guys, hello people from all over the planet, welcome to my booster motivation. We are so far the best YouTube channel in the world that offers free training sessions, and we have got a chance to start by always and so I'm always talking about money, how to become successful, and we produce free life coaching training session video every single day, so this is one of them. You are lucky if you come here for the first time. So to secure your spot, subscribe and hit the notification bell button that you can receive alert, insights, information anytime we got new video coming out for the hundreds and thousands of people that come in often on the channel. You are welcome back. We are talking about how to make money, how to become successful, because money and success are intertwined together. You need one to support the other. You need money to build your success, and when you become successful, you will earn a lot of money. This is why we are choosing these two terms to put them in the center of our teaching process throughout our videos on this YouTube channel. So let me talk to you this morning about one single sentence. And this is very important that you understand that. No matter which part of the world you are living, I want you to understand that you have one life to live. Only one, not two. One life to live. And if you choose to live this life correctly, you don't need to just live this life correctly, and you don't need to. What does that mean? That means that you have one lifetime to do the best impression of yourself, to be the best person that you can, to serve, to live a life of progress, of success, by putting yourself on the line to serve other people, by bringing some protocol service that can solve the problem. And for this particular reason, you will receive compensation, because people will praise you with money. They will want to acquire service from you or product from you, and this is how you will start making a lot of money. You will become successful. So remember, you have one life to live, not two. It's important that you live this life fully, completely, successfully, because when you do that, you don't need a second life. Because from this life, you will transcend from you will transcend from other life, because your accomplishment will be subject of lecture, of writing, of people will talking about your article in the journal, books, and publication. They will make a lot of publication. We're talking about what you did, what you accomplished, your contribution to humanity, and from this life that you live rightly, you will be able to transcend from future life, because your life will become inspiration, will become inspiration for the future generation, because they will find wisdom in your work, and they will try to impersonate you, imitate you, become a new version of you in their era. That's all. So, if you are here watching this video, I want you to understand, don't waste time in your life, because you got one lifetime to live. And if you live this life wisely, you will never regret about your life, because you will be able to move your life to the level of success that you want. But to do that, you have to produce something that can be a product or a service. Use whatever you have as assets, natural born with, or whatever the material that you might find in the surrounding area, use them as raw material to create your protocol service. So don't waste your time. If you're watching this video, you already know that you have the burning desire to become successful. Use whatever you have, whatever you can find to build your success. If you are good at computing, start writing code to create new algorithm to solve problem in the world. If you have your voice, try to sing. If you can use a pencil or a paintbrush try to create some masterpiece and art. If you are in cinema, produce the documentary, the film that you want. If you are a mechanic, do your thing, develop new cars or new concept to fix problem in the car faster. Bring something, whatever you can do. Okay. If you are on a decoration, so find the best decoration for party and stuff like that. Whatever you can do it at a level or at a scale that you will solve other people's problem and you will become successful. You have greatness in you. You have success in you. It's all about reclaiming it by taking action, taking possession and ownership of your success by being the best version of yourself and this life. Remember, if you live this life correctly, you don't need to live another one because you will transcend every upcoming life. So, I believe this is what I want to say this is what I want to say today. I'm walking toward my car, and then I hope you like it. And remember, and my booster motivation will provide insights, knowledge, information that you need to know to take your life to the next level. We provide wisdom, and we're teaching you the gospel of wealth. Go out there, build your wealthy portfolio, and become successful. My name is Ezra. I'm checking out.